Okay guys, now we're going to talk about our amenities and some of the amenities that are extremely important when you are furnishing your own vacation rental. What's really important to have, one, is laundry machine. In a hotel, one of the biggest things that's difficult is when you are staying somewhere for several days or a week, you got your kids, you got your family. I know with my own kids, it's very difficult. We got all kinds of laundry that's dirty and we're just stuffing all that in our bags. Well, the beauty of a vacation rental is that everything that we try to focus on is what's separate about this niche. One of the things is having laundry on site to do. Not only just because we respect the guests, we want the guests to have their own laundry equipment to use while they're staying. If you're sleeping, think about it like this. If you were sleeping 12 people in a place, that's a lot of laundry, and to be able to turn that unit, maybe you're the cleaning company or maybe you're the guest or the host, you've got to provide the equipment for people to have what they need. So think about your cleaners also in the end. Instead of the cleaning company coming in and rushing through the laundry or trying to take it somewhere else, you could do it on site. This is a great way that we've saved space. You could do the stackers where you have the washer and dryer stacked on top of each other. As you can see, this was just an old closet that we converted. It's tucked around the corner, so it's not even in the design space to where you can see it elsewhere. You walk around the corner and you have at least 2 sets of laundry. That makes it easier if you're ever doing at least 6 and up. If you're sleeping more than 6 people, then I highly recommend at least a minimum of 2 sets of machines.